This video will show you how to specify a PyTorch tensor's maximum value threshold by using the PyTorch clamp operation. First, we import PyTorch. Then we print the PyTorch version that we are using. We are using PyTorch 0.3.1 post 2. Let's now create a PyTorch tensor full of random floating point numbers. Using the PyTorch rand functionality, this shape is going to be 2 by 4 by 6. And we're going to assign it to the Python variable pt_tensor no max value threshold x. Let's print this variable to see what we have. We see that it's a PyTorch float tensor of size 2 by 4 by 6. All the numbers are floating point numbers and they are between 0 and the number 1. Next, let's create a PyTorch tensor based on our pt_tensor no max value threshold x, whose values will adhere to a 0.5 maximum. So anything above 0.5 will get clamped and converted to a 0.5. And we're going to use the PyTorch clamp operation, and we're going to assign that result to the Python variable pt_tensor 0.5 max val threshold x. Let's now print this result, and we see a lot of numbers. We see 0.5 and we see a lot of numbers below 0.5. Let's compare it to our original tensor. We're going to look at the second matrix. So the first element, 0.53, is above 0.5, so it got clamped and made a 0.5. This element 0.02 is below 0.5, so it gets left alone. 0.93 is above 0.5, it got converted to a 0.5. So you can see that any value below 0.5 in the original tensor remains the same value. However, any value that's above the 0.5 maximum threshold has now been clamped and updated to be 0.5. Perfect. We were able to specify a PyTorch tensor's maximum value threshold by using the PyTorch clamp operation.